Welcome to our tutorial on Copilot for DevOps Plus. In this video, we'll be focusing on the Convert to Use Case functionality within Copilot. With the Convert to Use Case, you can provide a work item as an input and convert that into use case format. Here, navigate to the Convert Use Case tile and select the fields that you'd like to use as part of your input. Only the title and rich text fields will be available for input. This will include your standard rich text fields like description, as well as any custom rich text fields that you've added. Once you've selected your fields, go ahead and click on Generate. This converts your requirement or your work item into use case format. Here, you can see the preconditions, the post conditions, the actors, as well as the steps within your primary scenario. You can also copy the results if you'd like to share them elsewhere. You can also publish these results as a work item. To do so, click on Create Work Item. You can pick the work item type that you'd like to build as well as the field that you'd like to publish the results into. You can also publish the results back into the same work item and simply append them. We can add the work item to any field. We can pick the field that we'd like to add the results to and append as part of our description. If you're working with Copilot Plus, you'll also have access to the Custom Instructions panel. This gives you the ability to select your AI model, whether it's GPT 3.5 or GPT 4. The latter will provide better results, but will also consume more tokens. You can choose to have your results be more creative or more precise. You can also choose the length of the results and the language in which you'd like to output them. There's also an area where you can give custom instructions and ensure you're getting exactly what you're looking for from Copilot. You can write just about anything here as part of the prompt, and it will be fed into Copilot as your input. So this concludes the tutorial for a Convert to Use Case functionality. Be sure to check out all of our other videos we have on Copilot for DevOps Plus.